The next step we're going to do is to assemble the AB drives and idlers. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to do some preparation by inserting some heat sets. All right, we're good with the preparation. So the first part we're going to do is the A idler. Right, so we ran into a problem where on the manual, these two screws are supposed to be like, you can tighten them into the plastic. However, in my case, these two holes are not printed tight enough so that I can screw them in. So it's, these two screws are like very loose right now. I can literally just pull them out. So they're supposed to stabilize these two pieces together. However, they're not doing the job right now. So I am trying to figure out a way to stabilize these, but yeah, we'll just have to see how to solve this problem, because I don't have a printer to reprint these components, so yeah. All right, so I've just created a help post in the Voron Discord to ask for their other people's help, and I've also texted the person that printed these parts to ask if he has any solutions, but we'll just have to get back to it. So it's the next day, and last night I've texted my provider that provided these parts and figured out the problem, and I just basically didn't use the right parts. So the two parts that I did use don't have the threads printed out, but the two parts that I didn't use both have the threads. So basically I just used the wrong parts. So yeah, we're just gonna continue on with the A drive assembly. Okay, we're done with the B drive as well. And the next step is the gantry. So today we're gonna move on to the gantry assembly. And let's just get started. Oh wow, and we're done with the gantry. Damn. Wait, this is so cool. And this moves too. So yeah, the next step, actually, so tomorrow, I'm gonna change all of these screws into the ones that I bought today, so they look better. And of course I need to switch these screws into like hex screws. But yeah, and then we can just move on to the next part.